Custom replacement windows Bethesda homeowners choose can dramatically improve curb appeal, comfort, and long-term value. From custom home windows Bethesda, Maryland properties require to modern replacement windows near Bethesda residents admire. Tailored sizing and style matter for older homes, renovated colonials, and contemporary builds alike. Bethesda replacement windows are available for unique openings, specialty frames, and design-forward upgrades that match brick facades, painted trim, and neighborhood architecture. For homeowners seeking residential window replacement Bethesda, Maryland, 20814 A Residential Window Contractors Bethesda, Maryland, 20815 Custom Solutions help create a seamless fit, better insulation, and a cleaner finish throughout the entire home. Energy-efficient windows Bethesda families install are one of the smartest upgrades for year-round savings. Energy-efficient replacement windows. Bethesda, Maryland, 20816 homeowners rely on can reduce drafts, stabilize indoor temperatures, and help lower heating and cooling costs during humid Maryland summers and cold winter months. Insulated windows Bethesda homes need are ideal for improving comfort in bedrooms, living rooms, kitchens, and sunrooms, especially in older properties with outdated glass. Energy-saving window installers. Bethesda, Maryland Homeowners Trust can recommend low-E glass, insulated frames, and advanced seals that support better efficiency across Montgomery County residential window replacement Bethesda projects of every size. Vinyl window replacement Bethesda properties often benefit from as a practical option for durability, efficiency, and low maintenance. Homeowners in Bethesda, Chevy Chase, and nearby communities frequently select vinyl window replacement Bethesda Chevy Chase MD services for a clean appearance, moisture resistance, and strong overall performance. Affordable replacement windows Bethesda residents prefer often come in vinyl because the material is cost-effective without sacrificing insulation or style. For residential window replacement Bethesda projects in townhomes, detached homes, and updated suburban residences, vinyl frames offer an excellent balance of price, energy efficiency, and easy upkeep in the Bethesda, Maryland climate. Old window replacement Bethesda services can transform aging homes that suffer from worn frames, condensation, noise intrusion, and poor operation. Drafty window replacement Bethesda homeowners need is especially important in neighborhoods with mature housing stock, where original windows may no longer seal properly. Drafty home window replacement Somerset MD near Bethesda and window frame replacement and replacement Bethesda, Maryland services help eliminate air leaks and restore structural integrity. Residential glass window replacement, sash upgrades, and full-frame solutions can all be part of a complete home window renovation Bethesda residents pursue when preserving character while improving function, efficiency, and appearance. Window installation Bethesda homes require should always be handled with precision to maximize performance and lifespan. Whether clients need a full residential window replacement Bethesda, Maryland homeowners can depend on our targeted house window installation West Bethesda, Maryland properties call for. Proper measurement and expert fitting are essential. Residential window installers Bethesda families hire can address uneven openings, aging trim, and moisture concerns before installing new units. Home window replacement. Bethesda, Maryland projects completed correctly help reduce future maintenance, improve insulation, and give homeowners confidence that their investment in Bethesda replacement windows will perform as expected through every season. Double-pane window replacement Bethesda homeowners request is a popular choice for QUIETER interiors and stronger insulation. In busy residential areas near downtown Bethesda, along commuter routes, and close to shopping districts, dual-pane glass can help reduce outside noise while improving energy performance. Double-hung window replacement Bethesda, Maryland, 20817 services are also in demand because they combine classic style with convenient operation and easier cleaning. From replacement windows for houses near NIH Bethesda, Maryland to home window replacement near downtown Bethesda, Maryland, double pane and double hung options remain among the best window replacement for homes in Bethesda, Maryland. Residential window replacement Bethesda homeowners seek can address cracked panes, foggy glass, damaged seals, or outdated glazing that affects both beauty and performance. Bethesda, Maryland residential glass window replacement services are often part of broader home window renovation Bethesda plans, especially when homeowners want brighter rooms and more efficient materials without delaying needed repairs. Window frame replacement Bethesda projects may also be necessary when moisture damage, rot, or warping compromise the structure around the glass. Window replacement contractors Bethesda homeowners count on can evaluate whether partial repairs or full residential window replacement Bethesda is the better long-term solution.